Welcome to the Pillow Book Stories.
In a big desert, there was a camel. His name was Mr. Camel. He lived in a blue tent. He liked to draw on the sand. He didn't think he was good, but he drew every day, because drawing made him smile. One day, after a sandstorm, he went for a walk. He found a gold pencil under the sand. There were words on the pencil. Draw with your heart, it will come true. Ali wondered what he should do with the pencil. He tried to draw a watermelon. And the watermelon popped up, and for real. The next day, Mr. Tory the turtle walked by. He fixed shoes for work, but today he looked sad.
I finished the left shoe, but I lost the right one.
Mr. Camel smiled. He used the pencil to draw a right shoe. When he finished, the shoe came up, real and perfect. Mr. Tory was very happy. He gave Mr. Camel a bag of roasted nuts to say thank you. One night, Mr. Arnold the owl came to see Camel. He loved to write poems, but no one read them.
I want to show my poems to everyone.
Mr. Camel sat and thought. Then he drew a stage in the desert. It had wooden chairs, lights, and a microphone. The next day, the stage appeared for real. Desert animals came to sit and listen. Mr. Arnold read his poems out loud, and everyone clapped for him. One more day, Miss Fina the fox came to visit. She worked at the fruit market, but she felt bored.
I don't know what I like anymore. Every day feels the same.
Mr. Camel gave her the pencil.
Try drawing. Draw what you want to see.
Miss Fina sat down. She was quiet for a while. Then she slowly drew a pink mountain with a tea shop on top. She smiled.
Maybe. I want to open a tea shop in the mountains.
The next day, Mr. Camel started drawing more things for himself. He drew a big tent.
He drew a karaoke machine.
He drew an ice cream truck. He drew a fun park, but then... One morning, the pencil stopped. Nothing came up, even when he drew all day. He felt a little sad because he couldn't draw with the pencil anymore. He opened his notebook and looked at the first watermelon. He gave a small smile and thought,
When I drew small things for others, I felt really happy. But when I drew just for myself, I felt empty inside. My magic pencil may not work now, but our hands can still draw good things.
He gave paper to everyone. He asked them to draw something for someone else. Mr. Tory drew a soft chair for his old friend. Mr. Arnold drew a picture book for orphan kids. Miss Fina drew a treehouse for a friend with no home. Nothing popped up from the paper, but everyone was happy inside, and the friendship in the village grew stronger every day. The biggest magic is not the pencil, it is the heart that cares for others and the hands that draw for someone else.
Thank you for dreaming with us. See you in the next tale.